Did you know the morning after pill is now free in the UK? Here are a few things you should know. First, timing really matters. The sooner you take it after unprotected sex, the better it works. This should ideally be within 24 hours, but it can still be effective for a few days, depending on the type. There are two main options. Levonorgestrel works best within 72 hours. Ella-1 can be taken up to 120 hours after sex and works better later in that window. In the UK, the morning after pill is available for free from NHS services, including many community pharmacies, GP surgeries, and sexual health clinics. It's also available privately, including through online services which some people choose for convenience or discretion. It's important to remember the morning after pill doesn't provide ongoing contraception, so you'll need to use a regular method moving forward. Some people may notice mild side effects like nausea, headache, or change to their next period, but these are usually passed quickly. And if you vomit soon after taking it, you may need another dose, so check in with your pharmacist or doctor if this happens. The morning after pill is safe, effective, and free, but the earlier you take it, the more reliable it is. Get it safely and discreetly with Lloyds Pharmacy Online Doctor by visiting our website.